Throughout our history, God has sent to humanity educators, known as manifestations of God. The teachings they provide have enabled mankind to advance spiritually and embraced arts and sciences. These manifestations have included Abraham, Krishna, Zoroaster, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad. Baha'u'llah, the latest of these messengers, explained that the religions of the world come from the same source and are in essence successive chapters of one religion from God. Baha'is believe the crucial need facing humanity is to find a unifying vision of the future of society and of the nature and purpose of life. Such a vision unfolds in the writings of Baha'u'llah. Baha'is believe in the oneness of God and religion, the oneness of humanity and freedom from prejudice, the inherent nobility of the human being, the progressive revelation of religious truth, the development of spiritual qualities, the integration of worship and service, the fundamental equality of the sexes, the harmony between religion and science, the centrality of justice to all human endeavors, and the importance of education. Baha'is try to define their inner lives in accordance with the teachings of Baha'u'llah. The community to which they belong is one of learning and action. Baha'i communities are free from any sense of superiority or claim to exclusive understanding of truth. Baha'is share a common goal of serving humanity. It is a community that strives to cultivate hope for the future of humanity, to foster purposeful effort, and to celebrate the work of all those in the world who strive to promote unity.